Hello foodies, welcome on Maki Rasoi. Today we are making Maggie soup. This is not pani wali Maggie. The taste is very different in this one. You must try it. If you enjoy, please click like button and share with your friends. So let's get cooking. Now to make soup, heat up a kadai or saucepan. We will add 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat up. Now it's time to add chopped garlic, ginger and green chili. Here I'm taking a little bit of onion and beetroot and pumpkin. Here you can add more veggies like carrot, beans, cabbage, whatever you like. Cook it for a minute. We don't want to make it soft, keep it crunchy. Now we will add tomato. We will mix it up and cook it for a few seconds. Now we are going to add the spices. Here I am taking black pepper, salt according to taste and coriander powder. We will mix it up and cook it for a few seconds. We don't want to burn the spices. Keep the flame medium. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. It completely changes the flavor of Maggi. Mix it well guys. Now I'm taking 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. The recipe is very quick guys. It won't take too much time. Now we are going to add water. The water quantity that I'm using right now is 2.5 cups or about 625 ml. If you want to serve this later, like 30 minutes later, then you can add 3 cups of water. 2.5 cup of water is good enough if you want to serve it immediately. Now we will add Maggi taste maker, and now it's time to add Maggi. Break it into small chunks. Maggi will cook in its own sweet time. I will boil right now until the Maggi is done. I have boiled this for about 4 minutes and this looks ready now. It's time to serve. Turn off the flame and add a little bit of coriander leaves for the fresh flavor and lemon juice. Honestly, before trying this recipe, I was also thinking what I'm doing, just making pani wali Maggi. But when I added this much ginger and made it this way, the taste was very different. Hey friends, you can see this texture is perfect and color is also beautiful. You should also try this guys. If you enjoy, click like button and share with your friends. I hope to see you soon with one more video. Bye guys, take care.